In 1977, I met a French chef. He said to me, cooks cook to nurture people. That moment is when I decided to become a professional chef. It's an emotional connection that you have to have with food, first and foremost. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I've always felt that we are a product of those who've inspired us. I stand on the shoulders of countless chefs who came before me. I have better knowledge, I have better skills because of them. And that's my job, to pass it on. I focus on techniques rather than recipes because it's really the techniques that are the most important part of any recipe. Salt enhances, acid enhances, pepper changes flavor or adds another flavor. The amount of oil that a yolk will take is almost infinite. Glazing is surprisingly challenging, even for professional cooks. The aromas, the sound is really important. Any one of these techniques is something that I know is achievable. Every technique that I'm sharing with you, we use in our restaurants. We want to give you very simple dishes with very few ingredients. It really ignites that emotional connection to food. So pan roasting is a technique to give you creamy, almost pudding-like zucchini. If you go through the steps, if you take your time, if you're patient, you will succeed. Everything here that I'm teaching is something that'll last you a lifetime. I want you to be able to master each technique. You will gain the confidence and the courage to express yourself. I'm Thomas Keller, and this is my masterclass.